Hello, my name is Alex. I'm one of the inside sales reps here at Ortho Technology, and I'd love to tell you about one of my personal favorite products, the TruEase bite-corrector. A couple of key features about the TruEase bite-corrector are it's a universal bite correction device. It corrects both Class 2 and Class 3 cases. It does not require bands, and depending on which model you use, it can be as simple as going wire to wire. It comes in two sizes only, and it's universal left or right, and it's ready to go right out of the box. One of the key features about the TruEase bite-corrector is it makes inventory management much simpler. It does not require special attachments or lab setup, and it does it without the need of reactivation, shims, or maintenance. It's patient-friendly, it's very comfortable because it's got an enclosed thermal nine-tie spring. This is the anchor wire version of the TruEase bite-corrector. As you can see, it slides into a headgear tube, and the clip attaches directly to the wire distally on the lower first cuspid. This is the double lock. It attaches wire to wire. There's no tube required. Mesially on the first molar and distally on the cuspid for Class 2 correction. As with most bite correction devices, we recommend figure eighting the arch or using a paddle arch bar to prevent incisors from flaring or undesired movement. If you'd like to learn more about the TruEase bite-corrector, please give your sales rep a call.